All right, YouTube, 116 Falconer, back with another freaking exciting ass video, man cooking video. This is gonna be experimental man cooking. The other night there, I had a couple tokes off the old peace pipe, and I got jonesing for a peanut butter and banana sandwich. So then, as I'm sitting there eating it, I got the idea of I'm gonna deep fry some and see how that turns out. So I got me some wraps here. Well, I've been using wrap crap instead of regular bread because you know, I'm getting old as shit and this stuff's a lot easier on my stomach than regular bread. So I'm gonna do three. I'm gonna do a peanut butter and jelly wrap. I'm gonna do a peanut butter, chocolate, and banana wrap. And then I'm going to do a peanut butter, chocolate, and marshmallow wrap. Throw them in the freezer overnight and then fry them up tomorrow. I figure I'm going to try 3 minutes at like 350. That might be a little much, but we'll find out. So let me get this, I'm going to tie them up with some twine there to make sure they don't fall apart in a deep fryer. So all right, so I did a pretty nice thick layer of peanut butter, squirted some jelly on there. I'm just gonna fold it over both sides, wrap it up, tie it up, and get it ready to throw in the freezer. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I got the peanut butter, chocolate, and banana ready to wrap up. Here's the peanut butter and jelly one. So let me get that wrapped up. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so here we have the peanut butter, chocolate, and marshmallow. I got the Schmore marshmallow, so it took 2.5 there to cover that spread. Got the banana one here, the jelly here. So let me wrap this up. Then I'm gonna wrap them up in parchment paper. Take a sheet and just wrap them all three up so they don't stick to each other. Throw them in the freezer. And man, I can't wait. Be back. All right, so there's the marshmallow, peanut butter, and chocolate one. Boy, that one turned out. The banana one is big, but this one's a lot fatter, and the PBJ one is just, you know, kind of small. So it's gonna be freaking fun as hell. So I got my piece of parchment paper here. I'm just gonna roll them over in there so I can stick them all three in the freezer together, and bam. So let me do that, and we'll be back tomorrow once it froze up. All right, see y'all, bitches. Hey YouTube, 116 Falconer, back with the man cooking video here. It's been 2 days there, you know, because life happens. So I'm gonna do the PBJ wrap. I'm gonna do it for 2 minutes. So I got the oil heated up. I got it up to 375. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna stick you over there. All right, timer's going. But not a lot of noise coming out of that oil. Well, I'll be back in a minute. All right, well, coming up on 2 minutes here. I think I might have to let it go another minute, though. There, I just added a minute. Oh, I don't know, it's floating now. You know, I'm gonna leave it in there for that other minute here. Let's see what happens. I moved the fryer outside here because when I put that marshmallow one in there, I don't know what it's gonna do, man. So. All right. Take that out. All right. Let me get the plate. I'll be back in a minute. All right, so here's the PBJ. It's a little crispy there. Probably 2 minutes would have worked, but hey, we'll see what happens here. Now I'm gonna do the peanut butter, banana, and chocolate as soon as the deep fryer heats up, and then we'll take a look at. Oh, it's ready to go. All right, I'll be back in a minute. All right, so the peanut butter, banana, and chocolate is just. I did 2 minutes. I added another minute on there. Don't know why, because it's floating already. So it's probably done. All right. Got that one done. Let me get the plate, and I'm going to throw the peanut butter, chocolate, and marshmallow in. I'll be back. All right, so the marshmallow one, I did that 3 minutes, but I tried to flip it over after 2 minutes, but because of the buoyancy of the marshmallow, it would not flip. So top side looks like a dumpling, bottom side's nice and brown. Let me get the plate here. Shut the fryer off. All right, let's take a look at these bad boys. I'm gonna let them cool down for a minute and then we'll cut into them. We'll be right back. Let's cut into these things here. Excuse the mess of my table out here. I just got my replacement Crocs in. I don't know if you saw my Crocs video there a couple days ago where they sent me like 8,000 different freaking sizes. So they sent me two new pairs. They're all consistent. They're all a little big, but hey, you know what? It's better than having, 8,000 different freaking sizes. So, all right. So let me find some place to set this camera so I can cut into this crap. Let's see. Well, you ain't gonna be able to see much there. I'm gonna leave the string on. I'm just gonna cut them in half right now. PBJ, then peanut butter, banana, and chocolate, and peanut butter marshmallow. Ooh, boy, it's hot, 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 hot. I gotta say that marshmallow one smells really freaking good. All right, so let's take a look-see here. Here's the PBJ, nice and ooey gooey. Peanut butter didn't fry up like I thought it might. Here's the peanut butter, banana, and chocolate one. Kind of looks a little whatever. And here's the peanut butter, chocolate, and marshmallow one. This one looks the freaking best, man. And it figures the freaking granddaughter, she's not here. I wanted her to sample them, but I'll cut the strings off and we'll give her a taste test. Back in a minute. Let's give it a little taste test. I don't know how this is gonna go with beer. I probably should have smoked a bowl before I did this, and then it'd be a lot more honest review. Let me try a bite of this one here. See my face? Peanut butter all over it. Tastes like I'm eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in a deep fried roll. So, ha ha ha. It's not bad though. It's really freaking good. Yep. Peanut butter is nice and runny. That's pretty damn good. All right. So now let's try the peanut butter, banana, and chocolate. Here we go. Ready? Believe it or not, the banana is still a little cold in there. So that should have got cooked a little longer, but it's freaking good. Nice crunchy crust. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Definitely Minka. My face must look like I've been fucking dumpster diving or some shit. That's alright. You know what? Who gives a shit? Alright. Now we're going to do the peanut butter, chocolate, and marshmallow. This is the one I've been dying to try. That was really good too. Really good. Really good. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to eat the rest of this shit. But man. It's really good, man. There you go, party treat. You know, only takes a couple minutes to fry them up. Only takes a couple seconds to make them. Throw them in the freezer. Freaking, I don't even know if you got to tie them up. I thought maybe they'd like explode or some shit. But I think maybe if you took a little egg and put it on these things and like glued it together, when you froze it, they'd stick right together. So, but there you go, man. Freaking nice. That's I don't know if this marshmallow melted all the way. See, the middle stayed a little solid there, but I'm not gonna complain because it's pretty good shit. So, all right, that's it. Man cooking, experimental deep fried crap. See ya, bitches.